Hello ma'am, in this video we will see that how you can create a new user. So to create a new user, go to configurations. Under configuration, click on this user drop down and then click on user. So once you will click on user, here under this, click on this three-line icon and then click on plus user. Once you will click on the plus user, a window will open where you need to enter the details of that particular user. Email address is mandatory because the login credentials will go on this email address. Then click on show more. On working location, it will show your office address. Click on that. And on permission side, just give the permission, that what kind of a permission this person is, profile is, whether it's a data or what. And then click on save. So this is how you can create a user. Also make sure to select role and job type. Thank you.